Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In today's video, I'll talk about Pagescreen lifetime deal and I will show how to get Pagescreen lifetime access. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell icon. So without further delay, let's get started. Pagescreen monitor visual scenes to any website and archive every screenshot. Just like anything on the internet, web trends are in one day and out the next. Your ever site monitoring tools can keep tab on every version of landing page, which means your web content is constantly falling behind. But what if there was an automated tools that help you capture every update to website visual scenes over time? TLDR automatically capture and archive visual copy of web page at any screen size and compare scenes over time. Get custom alert for scenes by mail or Slack and analyze historical data with team member in one place. At a glance, best for marketer, marketing agency, SaaS, integrations, API, Dropbox, Microsoft Team, Slack, Webhook. Alternative to Hexovast. Visual Ping. Feature GDPR complaints. What is Pagescreen? Pagescreen is an automatic site monitor that lets you capture, compare, and archive visual scenes to any website over time. Pagescreen lets you get real-time info on website update, track competitor content, and perform quality assurance analysis on your landing page. Just enter the URL you want to monitor and schedule screen capture at custom interval like content time and day of the week. When any change is detected, you can automatically generate a pixel-perfect visual copy for all screen size and device. Pagescreen lets you keep track of multiple sites at once by adding individual URLs to monitor to bulk uploading a larger list. And for each page, you can receive custom alerts for new changes by email, webhook, or messaging app like Slack. You will able be to compare screen capture in different modes like side-by-side overlay and before and after view. That's why you can easily track the visual history of page over time as well as stay up to date the last change. Pagescreen also lets you create visual collection to easily organize all your desktop and mobile screenshots. You will able to filter a screenshot by date, size, or scenes present test and analyze the evolutions of any website. That means you will able to centralize space for gathering business intel that GDPR complaints and totally secure for third-party tracking. To make things even more convenient, Pagescreen can integrate into any workflow using built-in API and workflow. You will able to automate quality analysis and version control to improve the continuous testing of any website. Plus, you can keep up with release note, announcements, and external documentation for third-party sites in larger ecosystem. Without understanding the evolutions of website, clocking a visual sense isn't always super helpful. Good things Pagescreen capture every version of web page over time and lets you archive every screenshot for future reference. Stay ahead, go to grab, get lifetime access to Pagescreen today. So why are you late? Most of the deal out of stock within a week in Appsumo marketplace. Appsumo is the #1 digital marketplace in the world. So why are you late? Get lifetime access. It's only 69 US dollar, one-time purchase. No monthly fee, no yearly fee. So don't miss this offer. Plan and feature. Deal term and condition. Lifetime access to Pagescreens. All feature team plan updated. No code, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 3 license tier. GDPR complaints only for new Pagescreen user who do not have existing account. 60-day money back guarantee. Try it out 2 months to make sure it's right for you. So why are you late? Get lifetime access today. Feature included in all plans. Unlimited URL in monitorings. Only minimum frequency. Change notifications. Webhook and Slack integrations. REST API and Screenshot API. Sign in. SSO. Appsumo offer 3 pricing plan. This #1 69 US dollar, #2 129 US dollar, and #3 199 US dollar. So get lifetime access today. Don't miss this offer.